Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this episode of GBear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are, we're heading over towards the garden house because I had a wind event last night, and it was gusting up to 25, 26 miles per hour. So I wanted to go over here and see how everything's doing in the garden house while the wind is calm this morning. And it looks like everything's doing fine. Nothing. The trees aren't leaning over or anything, so it looks really good. So it looks like this is going to work out, and I just wanted to get that on film for you before the winds come back up again. And also out here in the desert, look how looks like there's a green grass lawn all over the desert now, everywhere, because the rains that we had this year brought everything up. Now, one thing I didn't notice was I showed you the little yellow flowers and the little purple flowers like these in another video, but one thing I noticed about the purple flower is, like, right now they're all almost like they're asleep, but as the sun comes out and gets stronger, they'll all open up almost like morning glories, and they'll face the sun and they'll follow the sun through the day. So as I'm looking at them now, in a little while when it warms up, it'll just look like all purple here. And then if you go on the other side and look back the other way, you don't see the purple because they're all facing the other direction. And then as the day goes through, it reverses. But yeah, you can see them all down here. There's the little yellow ones, and there's the little purple ones. And I'm going to try Googling to see what comes up on those. And here's a plant I haven't seen before. It looks like it's getting ready to pop some flowers on it. And it's got purple stems and that stuff. So I'll see if I can come up with some names of those things so we know what we're talking about. One thing I have noticed is the squirrel holes underneath the bushes. So it looks like the squirrels are making their return for the springtime here, and I'll have to pay attention to that because they love getting into my chicken coop and wiping me out of chicken feed. All the girls they were up early this morning, like myself, and they were all running around, and they're thinking they're going to get out to free range today. But I got to run into town, and I'll let them out later. Well, that's about all for today. It's a short one. Just wanted to catch you up because they're supposed to get more winds for the next couple of days, so I may be hunkered down in the cabin trying to stay out of those winds. And when things are blowing like that, it's too dangerous to be out here and have something just come flying across the desert and hit you, like maybe a garage door. All right, everybody, reminder, please give me a thumbs up down there after watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have subscribed, get your friends to subscribe. And I've got a couple of shout outs I'm going to be doing on the next video. Todd was Impson is one of the shout outs. He was referred to my channel by another one of my subscribers, and he stopped over and subscribed. I want to thank him for that. You might want to check him out. That's Todd, IMPSON. And he's got a channel where he has giveaways, and you might want to register for those giveaways. He's got some pretty neat stuff that he's been giving away. GBear signing off.